All right, so you need a bunch of magnets in the shop for various projects, and their magnets are getting a lot better and a lot cheaper than they used to be. Whoa, and they do like to stick together. So there's different shapes and sizes of all different kinds, but what can you use them in the shop? Well, one of the first things I ever made was, this, and it's just a piece of aluminum with a little groove here so you can grab it, and with a magnet in it. Just you know, a couple of these little magnets stuck in it, and I use it to put drawings. So on the milling machine, there's the big piece of steel, and if you want a drawing right next to you, I just use this magnet and, you know, stick it onto some piece of metal. There you go. You know, whang, away you go. So that was like one of the very first shop things I built. And what I wanted to show today was these little guys. Make sure these are in focus. So these are aluminum, and they're just like, I don't know, not very big. They have a magnet pressed into them. I don't think I had to glue it in there. I think it's just pressed in. But you could just use some Loctite or super glue or whatever, just put a magnet in there. So there's a magnet in here, and it's flush to both sides. And you can use it a lot like that other magnet I just showed you, but this one has a little feature. It has this little groove on the end, okay? And that little groove allows you to hold things, and they work good in pairs. And so what I use them for is to hold. Wow, they feel each other even that far away. That's amazing. They don't even want to be. They're very, very strong magnets. Anyway. So you can imagine you have a parallel, and you want to hold it in the jaws of a vise without it moving around. This little lip is going to grab it, and then you can put the magnet on the side of the vise. So let's go over the milling machine, and I'll show you how that works. All right, I'll show you these things in action here. So here's a Kurt vise, and I'm going to put some parallels in there. Let's zoom in a bit here. So I've got the parallels. I'm going to sit them in here, and going to crank them in, crank them out, and then whoops, the parallel doesn't hold in. So there's different ways of doing this. Some people put a spring between the two to hold them put. I don't have a spring. I'll show you how my little magnets work. So this one is the fixed jaw, so it doesn't move. So you really only have to worry about this one. So there's that little lip, and you just stick it like this, go the other side, stick that one on, and now when you slide it in and out, it holds that parallel. Quick and simple. They're super, super easy to make. Just need some magnets, and away you go.